Hello from the Arlo Lab. Today we'll be walking through how to set up the custom mode in the Arlo app. In this video, we'll focus on how to set up a schedule within custom modes. If you want to learn how to add custom modes and set up geofencing for your custom modes, check out our other videos. The links are in the description. Let's get started. To set up custom modes for your device, you will first need to turn them on. Open the Arlo app and tap Routines. From here, tap on Modes and next tap the three dots in the top right corner. Choose Custom Modes and tap the toggle to turn the custom mode on. Hit Done, and the custom mode will appear as a fourth option under Modes. From here, tap on the icon next to Custom Mode to activate it, and next tap the arrow next to it. To set the schedule, tap the arrow next to it under the device you want to set it for. On this page, once a schedule is set up, you will have an overview of it. Let's create a schedule based on this example. From Monday to Friday, this device should be armed between 8 a.m. and 6 p.m., disarmed at 6 p.m. to 10 p.m., and finally work on a custom-made mode from 10 p.m. to 8 a.m. Check out our other videos to see how to create a custom mode. First, let's create the armed schedule. Tap the plus icon in the top right to get started. By default, Monday to Friday is selected. Next, set the start time to 8 a.m. and end time to 6 p.m. By default, the Then Do This section is set to change mode to armed, so we do not need to change anything here for our example. Once the times are set, tap Save. Next, let's create the disarmed schedule. Tap the plus icon again, make sure Monday to Friday is selected, and then set the start time to 6:01 p.m. to avoid overlap with the end time of our armed schedule, and set the end time to 10 p.m. Change the mode to disarm by tapping on Change Mode under the Then Do This section. From here, select Disarm and then tap Save. We now have the disarmed schedule ready and can tap Save. Now, for the overnight schedule. Because it crosses midnight, we need to split it into two parts. For the first part, tap the plus icon. Select Monday to Friday and set the start time to 10:01 p.m. and end time to 11:59 p.m. Set it to your custom mode, then tap Save. For the second part, tap the plus icon once more. Select Monday to Friday, set start time to midnight and end time to 7:59 a.m. to not cause overlap. Again, set it to your custom mode, then tap Save. And with that, we have the full schedule ready. To enable the schedule, go back to the main mode page, make sure custom mode is enabled, and tap the two arrows next to your device. From here, tap on Schedule. And that's it. Your device will now automatically switch between armed, disarmed, and your custom mode at the times you set. We hope this video answered your questions about custom mode schedules. Make sure to check out our other videos to see how to edit and set up other custom modes. Links are in the description. If this helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Arlo tips and troubleshooting. See you in the next video.